Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Disney World.
Travel day.
Woo! Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Mackenzie. I make videos on YouTube with my family, and we are called Whoa Disney. Today, I'm here with my fiance. We are headed to Disney World. It is Bryce's first trip to Disney, so we're super excited about that. It is currently 4 in the morning. We're at the airport. Our flight leaves at 6 a.m. and it's a direct flight to Orlando, so it shouldn't be too bad, but we're ready to go. We are very, very ready to get there. So many exciting things planned for this trip, especially because it's Bryce's first trip, and I'm really excited to be here with my fiance. We just got engaged, what, last week? So this was not supposed to be like an engagement moon trip, but we're calling it one. So we are gonna just get ready to get on our flight. We'll probably show you around. We are flying Southwest Airlines, which is something new for me, but Bryce has done it before. Southwest, everything seems good. You get snacks on the plane, you get free carry-ons. However, you do not get an assigned seat. You have to pretty much check in like exactly 24 hours before boarding, and then you get assigned a number and you board in that order, and then you pick your seat. So this can either go really well or really bad, and we're gonna let you guys know how it goes. I think that's all I have to say right now. I'm very excited. Bryce is very excited. Travel day. It's so early. We are like half asleep. So we will see you guys on the flight. Give you a little tour of whatever seats we decided to pick that we fought to the death for. But we will see you guys on the plane, and we're gonna head to Orlando. If you can't tell by the ugly carpet and the little monorail. Good flight, Southwest. We got on an exit row, which was really nice. We had a lot of room, but we are now headed to take the monorail to the main terminal, and I'm just so excited that we're here. All right, so we have made it into the beautiful Orlando airport, the main terminal area. Even Bryce was saying, he was like, this is really cool, this is really nice. And this is just the airport. So we are now going to do the thing where we take a million escalators down to get to the Mears Connect. It's still the same price as it was last trip. Let me make sure I don't fall. It is $32 per person round trip. So it's $64 for the both of us. Not free, but it was still great last time, so hopefully it'll be the same this time. But we'll see. We're gonna head there and then head to Pop Century. We have made it to the Mears shuttle area. You just walk down this very, very, very long hallway with your suitcases and baggage. They sent me barcodes to my email. They send it like right when you book, and then they send you a confirmation, I think 24 hours before. So we are going to get checked in and get on our bus. We are getting on board the Mears Connect. We can sit wherever we want. So we're gonna go right here. Row number 9. Uh-oh, first ride.
Second ride at Disney.
Second ride. So super easy process. We just walked right up. We were the only people in the Pop Century Art of Animation line, and we got right on the bus. They do try to wait until the bus is at least half full before they leave, so we could be sitting here for a little bit, but there's AC, entertainment, good company. We're good. Also, my mom got us these pins that say just engaged, and they don't even make these anymore. I'm pretty sure she got them off eBay, so he's got one too. He just hasn't put it on yet. He's waiting for his new fit. So a little update. He just told us that there are 2 stops ahead of us. There are 5 stops total, and we are stop number 3. So I think like Caribbean's in front of us in Art of Animation, and then we'll do Pop, and then they're doing Swan and Dolphin. So we waited about 15 minutes from when we got onto the bus before we actually left. And he said it's about a 20 to 25 minute drive, and it probably will be a couple extra minutes at each stop. All in all, it's a nice little ride though. We're enjoying it. We're just doing the little Disney trivia, and Bryce keeps asking if that's the castle or so we'll see when we get there, but we're really excited. Our room's not even ready yet, so we're not in any rush. We're gonna go get our drink mugs, get a drink, check out Pop, Yeah. Oh, and Bryce has put on his button, so he's engaged now too. I'm so happy. Alright, we have made it to Pop Century. Bryce already thinks it's pretty cool. Just wait until we go inside. We are so excited. We have made it to Pop Century. Doesn't it smell incredible? Beautiful. We have to come back and look at all the memorabilia and stuff over here. But this is Pop. We have the shopping and dining hall. Like the shopping is here and you go through it to get to the dining hall. And then there's like an arcade and pool to the right, buses to the left. It's home. So our room's not exactly ready yet, but we are gonna go get our resort mugs. Bryce needs a coffee because we've been awake since 3 a.m. and I need a Diet Coke. So we're gonna do that and then we'll probably drop our bags if our room's not ready. And then we're gonna head to Magic Kingdom because it's time. Oh man, oh, this is gonna be so fun. Let's go look in the food. Well, drinks, not food yet, but oh, I love it here. It is just like nostalgia city. All right, we have located our mugs. $21.99. Look at the little Mickeys. Those are cute. I think we just got you get a blue and I get a yellow, or?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you get blue, but there's two different designs. There's the 50th, and then there's a Stitch one.
I like the Stitch.
Yeah, that's more you. I think I'm gonna go 50th, so we're gonna get these, go get our drinks. Oh my gosh, I keep forgetting that ring's there. And we are gonna get ready to enjoy Pop Century. So we picked up our resort mugs. Bryce has them over there. However, he has found the best part of Disney. This is all he needs. He is the biggest sweets fan. So this will be, everything will probably be tried at some point. Oh, you're like the brownies down there? Oh man, I'm kind of liking this chocolate chip muffin. That might be something I have to get. But now I'm gonna go get me a Diet Coke, and then we're gonna sort through our luggage to see if we can go ahead and head to the park. We might just wait out like at least 30 minutes and see if our room can be ready. But if not, we'll just head to Magic Kingdom. We got a lot of lightning lanes stacked up, so we're excited. Let me show you my Magic Band real quick. I got the 50th anniversary Magic Band. It's super cute. It has a little thing that says 50th anniversary, but it was bugging me, so I have this. And our room is ready, so we're about to go to our room and do a little room tour. I'm so excited. All right, so we have acquired lots of groceries, but we're gonna use our Magic Band, $13.58. And here we are. Oh, it feels so good in here. Bryce is gonna try to struggle to get our groceries, and yeah. This has been, oh, there he goes again. This has been a hassle. So room tour, Pop Century. This is our groceries over here. We just got some water, some snacks, sunscreen, toilet paper, things we need. We're gonna unload it into this pantry space. Little fridge down here. This is a Murphy bed, so it pulls down. We're gonna just use it for the table. No, you might break it. We're just gonna use for table storage right now. Mickey's above the bed. Beautiful. The Disney TV on. Lots of storage space all down here. These drawers are what's really incredible. They're huge. And there's 3 of them. Got some nice little hooks over here. And then moving into the bathroom. Let me find some light. Beautiful. Huge. Lots of floor space. Lots of storage space. A couple hangers. We do have an ironing board. Blow dryer should be, yep, right there. And then the bathroom, just a shower, normal. You have the built-in hand soaps, which is great. Yeah, wow. Bryce, what do you think of the room?
I like it.
He likes it. It feels so good in here. They have the air on. This is incredible. We are just gonna sit, unload our groceries, take a second, maybe change into a little more hot weather attire, because it is a little humid outside. Not humid, but just the sun is out, which is great, but these leggings are not gonna cut it in the Disney sun. Quick grocery haul before I forget. We just got some basically breakfast snacks. Rice Krispie treats, Pop-Tarts, granola bars. Like I said, sunscreen. We put a couple waters in the fridge. Bryce loves these chips, so we got those. I loved baked Lay's, so we got those. and then some Pringles, just for like some late night food snacks. That is gonna do it for today's travel day video. We're about to change into some more comfortable clothes and get ready to head to Magic Kingdom, which I'm super excited about. We have a lot of lightning lanes stacked up since we weren't here this morning. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. Be sure to like this video if you haven't already and subscribe so you can see next week's video at Magic Kingdom. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.